A taste of goodness. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vanilla Cooks, and today I'll be sharing the recipe for this delicious yam pottage, otherwise known as Mpotompoto or Nnuhu in some parts of Ghana. Now if this sounds like something you're interested in, please do the needful so we can get to it. Have you done it? Good. Let's get right into today's video, guys. So these are all the ingredients we'll be needing. I'll leave them in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. We'll need some tomatoes, some ginger, garlic, chopped onions, Scotch Bonnet pepper, whole onion, and some meat. We'll also need some sweet potatoes, yam, and smoked fish or dried fish, whichever one you prefer is fine. We'll also need some fish powder, shrimp powder, and assorted fish, otherwise known as momone in our part of the world. You need some beef stock and then some spices. So today I'll be using the Aniseed curry powder, chicken flavor, Adobo All-purpose, salt, and some Maggie cube. And last but not least, we also need our palm oil. Let's start cooking, guys. So first off, we'll add some hot water to our dried fish, smoked dried fish, because they are hard and we want them to soften up a little bit. We'll now go on ahead and cut our yam, peel and cut our yam into bite sizes. So let's do that. You can peel your yam this way by holding it in your hands, or if you're not comfortable, you can face down your yam onto your chopping board and cut them like so. Beautiful. Yeah, so we're now going to go on ahead and cut our yams into chew or bite pieces, just like this. Yes, because that's exactly how we need it for this recipe. Okay, so we put our yam into our cooking pot and add our sweet potatoes to it. Now remember, this is a one pot dish, so everything goes in at once. So yeah, we'll now go on ahead and add our vegetables to what we already have going on in the pot. Now this dish can be prepared with so many different things. You can use yam, you can use cocoyam, you can use sweet potatoes. Okay, now let's add in our spices. Like I said, everything goes in at once. So we are adding our spices in now. Yes. And then we'll come in with our shrimp and fish powder. Please don't skip this step if you are not allergic to any of them. It is so important. We come in with our beef stock. And then the liquid from our soaked fish. This makes a difference, guys. Do not skip it for anything. We top it off with some garlic. And then we add water to the level of the sweet potato, nothing more. Okay, cover it up and bring it to a boil for about 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes and it looks like our vegetables are ready, so we are going to take them out and give them a blend. Yes. Okay, so our blended vegetables are ready. We are putting it back in the pot. Give it a quick stir. Make sure everything is evenly distributed in the pot and nothing is sticking onto your pot. So yeah, we now cover it up for about 10 minutes. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes now and we are checking to see if there's anything sticking onto the pot. So yeah, okay, everything is fine. It has cooked beautifully, but we're still going to leave it on for about 10 more minutes and then come back. While that is on fire, we are going to prepare our oil. We'll put it in. Okay, so now we'll add our salted fish and give it a quick fry. This brings the local taste, guys. It is everything to me at this point. Don't skip it. We add in our chopped onions. Some more flavor. You know, onion adds flavor, so yeah, we want all the flavor, guys. You want all of it. Give it a good stir. It has fried beautifully. Now we go back to our pot after 10 minutes to check on our potatoes and yam. Okay, they have cooked beautifully. Now you would want to get a ladle or a wooden spoon and mash some of the sweet potatoes and yams in the pot. Mash a reasonable amount so you can still see some chewable pieces in there, or some bite pieces in there. You don't want to mash everything up, or you don't want to leave everything in there. So now you come in with your meat and your fish. Look at that, guys. It smells so amazing, it's not even funny. So you mix everything up. This the aroma, oh my god. Okay, so yeah, you leave it and then bring in your palm oil. With all the goodness, don't forget your money. Give it a good stir. Make sure everything is mixed up, and your Mpotompoto is as good as ready for enjoyment, you guys. So yeah, look at that. Look at this gorgeousness. Oh my goodness, really delicious. It looks good, it tastes good, it smells even better. So you guys, please try this recipe out. Let me know what you think. Let me know how it tastes down in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today. And yeah, remember, the first step to every tasty meal is cooking with love. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.